Hi everybody, I just started a subscription for Kinder Beauty Box. This is not the September box because with Kinder Beauty Box the first one you get will be a favorites box. So this is the favorites box that I received. This subscription is $25 a month, but I used the discount code to get this for $20. So let's see what we got. Here is the booklet. Now this subscription sends clean beauty items that are vegan, cruelty-free, made with clean ingredients without any of the bad chemicals and things like that. And this card has a description of all the items that are in here. And the first thing is the glove makeup remover. I had a tiny one of these before for eye makeup, but I've never had the full mitt. And this retails for $12.99. To open this. Okay. Yeah, the sustainable packaging and all of that. There about all of that. And this is the glove. Put your hand in here and you just wet it with water. It's very soft. You just wet it and go over your face and it'll remove your makeup. Okay. And the next item is from Dirty Lamb. We got the Dirty Lamb Day Serum in the Fashion Style box for August. And so that's one of the reasons that I signed up for this, because I wanted the night serum to go with the day serum. And so now I have the day and the night. And this one retails for $52. It smells just like the daytime one, like the herbally. It's not as strong, but it does have the same smell. This one smells a little bit more lemony, which is nice. I like it. Okay. So now I have the day and the night. The Dirty Lamb. And next up is from 100% Pure. This is the Bright Eyes Mask. It's a hydrating mask with caffeine for depuffing your eyes. And this retails for $7. All right. And the next item is from Filt'r. This is, it's called Eyes Baby. This is an eye cream. And it's supposed to be anti-aging and firming. This retails for $22. And I believe this is the full size. It looks like a full size eye cream. Oh, there's a coupon in here. It says take $10 off your first order at Filt'r with code 10. That's nice. Because this is $22, so if I were to buy this with the coupon, it would only be $12. I like those kind of coupons. It smells nice, kind of floral. Like natural flowers, not like a sweet floral perfume, but like a natural scent. It's nice, I like this. And there it is. Okay. This box is pretty good for only $20. And then the last thing is from Medusa's Makeup. This is a brand that I wanted to try for a while. They have their own subscription box too, with just Medusa's Makeup in it. But I've never tried that one. But I have wanted to try their makeup. So this is it's called Eye Dust in the shade Pennywise, and this retails for $8. Okay, let me open it up. It comes in a little shaker. The color looks really pretty in the bottle. I need to see what it looks like on my skin. Okay. I had a hard time getting this little piece of plastic off of the top here. But it's off now, so let's see what it looks like. Put a tiny bit on here. Oh, that's pretty. Wow. That is beautiful. I like that. Yeah. That's gorgeous. I can't wait to wear this one. Okay, there's the empty box. So for the Kinder Favorites box, I got the Medusa's eyeshadow, which is very beautiful. I got the Eyes Baby Eye Cream. I got the 100% Pure Bright Eyes Hydrogel Patches for depuffing and moisturizing. I got the Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum to go with my day serum from Fashion Stuff. And I got the Glove Makeup Remover Mitt. And since I was billed on the 8th for the September box, it should be arriving pretty soon. And I'll unbox it and let you see what I got. Thank you for watching. Bye.